Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace the wheel brakes on this 2021 Chevy Trailblazer. It is a simple brake job, nothing expensive needed to replace it. All you need is just a regular tool to do it. So let's start by removing the brake rotor returning screw. It is a T30 Torx bait, a breaker free. Take it off. Now let's remove the caliper bolt. They are 14 millimeter. Let's break it free. There you go. Now we're gonna use a flat blade screwdriver to compress the caliper a little bit, so it'll be easier to remove off the brake pad. And we're going to finish compressing it using the compressing tool. There it is. I'll post the link in the comment section below for the tools I use in this video. And pushing the piston all the way down. Now we're going to hang the caliper off the bracket, so you don't let it hang by the caliper hose. Let's remove those clips. Make sure you save them, but there are times that on GM they will change the design. You might still be able to find some of them with those clips, those anti-water clips, or you might find in your new design hardware where you don't, it's not necessary to have that, but I will save it anyway just in case you'll have to use it. Now let's remove our caliper bracket bolt. They are 15 millimeter. Let's break the bolts free. There it is. Easy. So now we're going to remove the hardware. Those hardware, the new one doesn't come. It's pretty. It does have the entire drag clip built into it, so you wouldn't have to use the clip. It will be shown pretty soon. Let's clean them up pretty good. It was the new one, and as you guys see here, you see that piece that's over that link both sides. That's what's gonna be used for the entire drag clip. So we already cleaned our caliper bracket. We put in the new hardware in. They only go in one way. And now we're going to grease our caliper. Let's grease the slider pins. There you go. Now we're going to clean our hub. You can use the wire brush like this, but if you don't, you can use the cookie wheel like this. You're gonna need to wear eye protection when using this. It's a very good tool to have, very efficient, but it just can be dangerous to use if you don't follow those instructions. I'll strongly suggest you have eye protection. We have our new rotor in. We put the returning screw. Now let's put our caliper bracket in. On the bolt screw. Grease the brake pad, the ears. There you go. Now we're going to put our caliper back in. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty straightforward, no gimmicks, pretty easy job to do in your driveway. Just basic tool. Let's put our caliper bracket bolt in, our caliper bolt rather. Good, good. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to pump your brakes before test drive. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.